The journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Every great success story starts the same way, with a single decision to move forward. The people who achieve extraordinary things aren't always the smartest, the wealthiest, or the most connected. They're the ones who stop waiting for the perfect moment and take action with what they have today. Imagine where your life could be 1 year from now if you made one decision that changed your financial future. Imagine building an income that continues to grow month after month because of the value you've created for others. That's the power of residual income. At TruPowur, you're not selling people something they don't need. You're helping homeowners and businesses reduce one of their largest monthly expenses by giving them access to competitive energy solutions through our nationwide supplier network. Every customer you help has the potential to create recurring income that compounds over time. Whether you're looking for a side income, a full-time career, or a path toward financial independence, you'll have the technology, training, mentorship, and proven systems to help you succeed. You don't have to figure it out alone. You'll be surrounded by people who genuinely want to see you win. Success isn't about where you start, it's about being willing to take that first step and refusing to stop. Every conversation, every customer, and every new relationship moves you closer to the life you've always envisioned. The future you've been hoping for isn't built someday, it's built by the decisions you make today. So if you're ready to reinvent your future, build a 7-figure compounding residual income by helping customers save money on something they already use every day, energy. It's time to stop settling for less and start taking control of your financial destiny. To learn more, visit TruPowerCareer.com and we'll see you on the inside.